Guyana presented its application to the International Court of Justice to block Venezuela from taking strides to annex the Essequibo region in a planned referendum set for December 3, 2023. Carl Greenidge, former Minister of Foreign Affairs and Guyana's agent in the matter, told the court that Guyana's rights to two-thirds of its territory is being threatened. The hearings, which began on Tuesday morning, saw Greenidge stressing the urgency of the situation that landed Guyana before the ICJ and the necessity for provisional measures to prevent irreparable and potentially permanent loss of the rights claimed by Guyana in this case.
The referendum Venezuela has scheduled for December 3, 2023 is designed to obtain an overwhelming popular mandate for the government to reject the jurisdiction of the court, to preempt a future judgment of the court, and in so doing, undermine the authority and effectiveness of the principal judicial organ of the United Nations.
Greenidge said Guyana placed its trust in the court in March 2018 to exercise its jurisdiction under the 1966 Geneva Agreement and the 2018 decision of former UN Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon to resolve the controversy over the validity of the 1899 arbitral award.
Guyana has not wavered in its trust in the court. It is the only means for achieving a just, final, and binding solution to the controversy between the two parties in accordance with international law.
He reminded that the court solely stands between such a solution and chaos that can threaten peace and security for Guyana, the Caribbean region, and beyond. Further, Greenidge told the court that should Venezuela be allowed to continue with their claims to the Essequibo region, there could be irreparable injury, but also permanent loss.
How will Venezuela's actions be reversed and Guyana's rights to the territory be restored if Venezuela rejects the court's jurisdiction and refuses to recognize the validity of its judgment on the merits?
Back in March 2018, Guyana sought out the ICJ to confirm the validity and binding effect of the arbitral award of 1899, which established the boundary between the then British Guyana and Venezuela. The referendum issued by Venezuela seeks to create a new Venezuelan state that purports to annex and incorporate into its own territory Guyana's entire Essequibo region and to grant Venezuelan citizenship to the population that currently resides in that part of Guyana. The referendum will be voted upon on December 3. The hearings are scheduled to continue tomorrow at the Peace Palace in The Hague, where Venezuela will present their case. Renata Burnett, reporting for the HGP Nightly News.